Okay, so this is page 15. We provided the starting elements. That's nice, and but none of the code. Womp womp. Using the examples on the previous page as a guide. So you should go back and look at the other page if you're stuck. So I'm just going to go step by step. Add an event handler. Okay, that's the on event. For the drop-down menu that triggers on change. So I'm going to look, what is the drop-down menu called? Age drop-down. So when I click on it, that triggers on change. Okay, so I'm going to trigger it on change. There we go. That's right in those directions. Okay, instead of triggering on a click, it's going to trigger on a change. Great. Add an if statement to check if the age chosen in the drop-down is greater than or equal to 13. Okay, so I'm going to grab an if statement, just like they told me to. And it's going to check to see if it's greater than or equal to. Let's grab that. Beep, boop, beep, boop, boop, beep, boop. So if the age is 13, okay. All right, so I'm going to do 13. Now I need something right here. And they tell you you're going to use the get number one instead. So watch what I do. I'm going to use get number, ba, 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 and I'm going to get it from the same thing, the age drop down. Oh wait, timeout. Oh man, I totally jacked this up.
Wait, which one is the orange?
There we go, greater than or equal to. So I'm going to get the number, and it's going to be from the same thing, age drop down. Bam. Now, if the age is greater than 13, I want it to say you are old enough. And so it's going to be under the result. So I'm going to set the text, bow, 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 and the result label, okay. Result label, because that's what this one's called. And I'm going to set it to congrats. You can see a PG-13 movie alone. All right, so I'm close. I'm going to try that out. Let's see. So if we're over 13, oh, it works. What if I'm under 13? Uh-oh. Oh, I got to reset it, I think. Oh, doesn't work. Good. Now I need to add an else statement. So if this is true, it'll say this. And if this is false, it'll go down here and say, I'm going to do the exact same thing. Set text, result label, right? That's what that was called. Yeah, result label. And it's going to say, wait a few more years, Junior. This movie is not for you. Or whatever you want. And now I'm going to try it out. Ah, it works.
Wait.
Ah, it works.
What is in the if?
There we go. You should use the get number age drop down. I did that to extract the value of the number rather than text. All right. It will still work if you use get text, but isn't good form. All right. And that's it. I did it. Perryman FTW.